Feed the bird. Oh shit! I forgot to feed the bird! Fuck! If I turn around and the bird's dead, I am fucked. It's not dead! He's not eating it. Yo, I think he's a zombie! Fuck! Eat the food! What? Yeah, baby, eat up, buddy! Yeah, that's not a food, though. Yeah, you gonna manage that? What the f***? This bird is fat as fuck! Okay, birdie, I'm about to count to 5 seconds, and if you're not next to me, you're about to get beat! Hold on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Okay, f*** this shit! Ah! Yo! I saw Grandma's bird! Fuck! Oh, I hope Grandma doesn't come home, bro. She's home! Fuck! Grandma, I'll buy you a new one! Grandma!